Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making homemade frozen watermelon dog treats. And now my pug is outside lounging on his lounge chair and he asked me if I could make him some delicious frozen treats. So of course I said yes. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make these super easy 2-ingredient frozen dog treats. So we only need a few things to make these homemade frozen dog treats. So I'm going to be using watermelon today, but if you guys want to use a different dog-safe fruit, you can totally do that too. Other dog-safe fruits that would be great for this would be blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, bananas, or even strawberries. Just make sure to remove the stems from the strawberries. So if your dog has a personal preference, go ahead and use their favorite. And then we're going to use some plain Greek yogurt. And you want to make sure that it is plain. Don't use flavored, don't use vanilla. Your dog does not need any of those added flavors or sugars. So first we're going to cut our watermelon. So if you guys have little chunks of watermelon that are a little bit softer and not ideal for eating, they're going to be perfect for using for this. Oh my God, that is a good one. So then we're going to add 1 cup of watermelon chunks and 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt into our blender. Now we're just going to blend until smooth. So I like to transfer the mixture to a Pyrex because it's going to make it easier to pour into the molds. Now I like to place the silicone mold onto a baking sheet. This is because they're super flimsy. This is going to make it really easy to transfer to the freezer. And now we're just going to pour our watermelon mixture into the molds. So depending on what kind of mold you're using, you may get a different amount of dog treats. I filled about 2 of these little dog bone molds that I have. I'll link the ones that I have in the description for you guys. So as you can see, it's so much easier to place the silicone molds onto a baking sheet. So now we're just going to transfer this to the freezer and let them set. Once they're frozen, they will look like this, and then we just need to pop them out of the molds. We had to pluck John from his lounger chair to get him in here to try his treats. What do you think? Watermelon treats today? Yum! If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more dog recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.